Another day, another blinking yellow signal. This is day 3. Oh. This is day 3. We have another blinking yellow signal, which I'm guessing this is for L507. Again. Like as yesterday. Here we go.
Just give this train some time.
Should go off any minute.
I'm gonna make it a little break.
CN detector, mile 39.6. Northbound, no defects. Temperature 82 F. Total axles 180. Speed 38. Detector out.
38 miles an hour again.
That's insane.
And he has like, I think 100 axles it said, or 200. I don't really pay attention.
It's
but
gonna
anyway, see y'all when he comes.
Wow.
Put your headphones on. About time we do it. You can see his headlights creeping through the branches. Oh, yo! The signal just changed. The signal just changed. Eddie! The signal changed. Okay, so we got a different signal now. So this is common. Looks like he's gonna have to go on the siding. We have a blinking yellow over green. So that's common. Alright, let's get back in the shot. I gotta take a picture of that. There goes Emmons. So I think he's going on the siding, which means there might be another one coming southbound. Coming, I think it's probably going to be behind him. Or something like that. Here comes the end. Great.
100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100
Alright, so I don't know what that signal was for. I was expecting the bottom one to be like a green. But we'll see if anything else comes. CN L507 had like a weird signal aspect. First he had a blinking yellow. Now he has a blinking yellow over green. Green is not common for this signal. But anyways, we might be getting another one, but we'll see. Okay guys, how is this possible? We have... Eddie, get out of the video, get out of the video, out of the video. We have another shoreline train right here. Here, Eddie, back up, back up. Here, Eddie, go down a little. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, Eddie, watch out. Watch out. We have another northbound, but the signal is not on. I don't know what's going on. This is a weird day. We'll see what this is. I'll keep an eye out if he stops. Alright, now we got 573 coming.
Okay, bro. That's not fair.
Here, Eddie, start recording.
There we go. Like I said, there was a train. L573 just showed up.
This isn't another shoreline. This is L573.
Yeah, and I did ended one of my videos.
He's blowing for St. John's. I'm gonna move a little bit.
Give me a minute. Alright, I got my headphones are stuck.
I got you, I got you, I got you.
This train's gonna be hot.
Turn on. In 3, 2, 1. It's going pretty slow. Oh, there isn't it? Sixty-two, 64. Here's the end. There he goes. There's a green signal right there. I didn't show y'all.
Okay, that's L573. Yeah.
We caught L507 and L573. I also heard some about L506.
That might I think
He's gonna bust down the
L573 is
signal.
probably gonna be my shorts on YouTube videos. So.
All right, guys, L573. I don't know if there's another one coming, but we'll see.
So I might get another train coming. If not, then.
All right, we got L573 heading back south. Eddie, start recording. He's just blowing from Mill Street. Here, I might move here in a minute. Actually, no, I might stay here. There he is. He's now proceeding south. This is my last train, I think. About time you show up. Here he comes. He's loaded now. Alright, CN L573. He just proceeded south. We waited like an hour for him, like an hour or two. Like, I feel like ever since like a high rail goes through, I feel like the shoreline is like dead. We have not got a signal on shoreline since. But anyways, this might be my last train, so thank you all for watching.